Happy greeting parents. This video is about how to attend an aptitude test, that is an objective test that which has been conducted by our school, Prince Group of Institution. So I'll just say you step by step how to attend your test, how to close those tests and all. So this is the WhatsApp group where your child has been added. In that WhatsApp official group you will be getting a link. So this link is only to attend your objective test. Regarding your classes and all, you will be getting your links which has been scheduled according to your timetable. After once the class is over, probably it is scheduled by 1:30, so all the test will start by 1:30. So from before that you will be getting, before few minutes you will be getting a link that is only to attend your online aptitude test, that is a objective test. So in that official WhatsApp group you will be getting a link. You need to just click the link, or you will click it for a Zoom app. Same way you are just supposed to click this link. So if you see in this link, you will be having the last 12th English 19th August 20. So depending upon each day, according to the timetable, you will be getting the subject name, first the class, which class your child is studying. If it is a first standard, means first standard. If today's exam is maths, means so your child will be getting first standard maths, and tomorrow is the exam, means 20 August 2020. So like that the link will be formed. So by knowing the link itself, you will be able to identify whether we have got the correct link or not. So this is just for cross checking only. So since I have created for 12th English, I just need to click that link once. So if I click that link, it will be asking for my options. So it is better to give Chrome, or it's up to you only. Either you can give browser or anything else. So I'm just going to give Chrome. So we need to wait for a few minutes and the page will come like this. Here if you see, the main important thing is, once you start your test by giving your name, everything, only once you can start it. If you came out of the test by accidentally or by any other mistake, you won't be allowed to again attend your test. So be careful while attending your test and all. And here also, while giving your name, there is a procedure to give it. If you see, enter your name. So first thing, you need to enter your name. So for example, my name is Deepa, followed by my initial. Okay, next what it is given, slash DOB. DOB is nothing but date of birth. So I'll be giving slash date of birth. So your child's date of birth you are supposed to give. Next, again a slash is given, followed by class and section. So if your child is first standard, means you have to give first standard, A section, B section, C section or D section. If your child is a 9th standard, means you have to give 9th, A, B, C, D, followed by the section. So here, since it is 12th, I am going to give as 12. Section is A. Okay, again one slash. Next, you have to give Madipakam or Nanganallur. So your child represents which school, you have to give that, which branch of the school. Either it is Madipakam or it is a Nanganallur. So since I am going to give Madipakam, for example, I am giving Madipakam. Okay, so be clear with this step, parents. Here you need to give your child name in this procedure only. Students, you need to give your names in this procedure only, and it is default. This is why, means to differentiate the names between the students. If you see, since this exam is a combined exam between Madipakam and Nanganallur, the child will be having same name. So to differentiate the names, we need to give in this procedure. So first you are supposed to enter your name, followed by the date of birth. Next, class, section, either it is Madipakam or Nanganallur. So I am repeating it again. You need to give your name, followed by the date of birth, class, section, Madipakam or Nanganallur. Once you have given this one, you need to give start. I have given start. See, this is how my online test starts. So if my online test starts by 1:30, means before half an hour or before 1 hour, you will be getting the link. So you need to give this one. If 1:30 the exam starts, means by 1:25 you are supposed to be ready by entering your details and all. Only 5 minutes before you are supposed to enter your details. Before that you are not supposed to enter. Even that won't take it as valid, because only 1:30 sharply the example starts. So by 5 minutes before you can enter all those details and give start by correctly by 1:30. So this is how the front page will be. See, Prince School online English test. So today if my exam is English, means the heading will be English test. If suppose it's a maths, means I'll be having maths test, followed by the date. So on which date you are going to write it. Prince Tiwari Senior Secondary School, the school name, followed by Madipakam and Nanganallur, both these schools. It's an objective test and the subject name. Today my subject is English. And if you see, they will be giving an instructions, either each questions carries how many marks. Since I have given here only 1 mark, so each questions carries 1 mark. The date will be given at the right hand side and which standard will be given. So you can also cross check it by another way. If you have clicked the wrong link means you can check it whether you have logged into a same class or anything else. So once my class starts, see, this is how my questions will be. If I scroll it, you will be getting all the questions. Okay, so since I have given here 10, only 10 questions there has been displayed now. If you see at the bottom of your page, there will be a timing alarm will be running on, because we have scheduled only for specific time. For 1:30 to 2:30 means only for 1 hour you are supposed to write the test. If it is from 2 to 3 means only 1 hour will be sitting. After 1 hour you won't be able to attend your test or not, so it will automatically be closed. So be sure that you complete your test within the stipulated time. If you exceed it, it will automatically close it, and whatever questions you have not attended, it will be marked as invalid. You won't get marks and all. So try to complete your test within the time. So if you see, we'll see how to answer those questions. So I'll be reading my first question. Let us play dash chess means it's my first question, means I need to answer it. There will be a 4 questions, so everything will be an objective types questions only. You need to click the correct answer. So see, if I just click it, it will enable. If suppose the first answer is A, I have clicked it, so I'll be getting like this only. If I clicked it wrongly means it's no problem, you can click it which is the correct answer, you can click it. If I want to click it there means I can click it there. So I'm clicking the first one. Okay, next for second question you need to scroll. If my second answer is B means I'll be clicking here. If my second answer A means I'll be clicking. So you need to read each question and then answer it according to that one. So I'll be marking like this. If you see down, the timing will be running. Since I have scheduled it for 10 minutes, only for 10 minutes this paper will be valid. After 10 minutes it will close automatically. So in such a way I will answer all my questions. See, for next one I'm giving my answer. Next one. So in the same way I'll be giving all the answers. So once I have completed, see now the time is 6. For each 1 minute the timing will be running. See now the timing remaining is, now it is showing 6, which means that only 4 minutes are remaining. If I wait for a minute, we'll wait and see whether the time is changing or not. You see, this will be running for minutes, no seconds will be given, only the minutes will be running. So we'll see, next it will turn into. So be sure that you complete your test within the time, and you can also check it with your clock, whatever else you need you can check it. So if you see, it will change now. Yeah, see now it has changed to 5. So likewise the timing will be running. So once I have completed all my tests, you can check it like this also. You can scroll down, you can scroll up, whatever ways you want you can check it. So I have answered everything. If you have answered, if you did not answer anything, see if I have not answered my 4th question. Okay, see if I have given, so I cannot remove it. If I have forgotten to answer any one question means, while submitting, while giving the submit button, it will show you one red color alert message like you have not attended that 4th question or 5th question. Since I have attended everything, I need to give submit. See, I am going to give my submit button. Once I give my submit button, see, I'll be getting Prince Group of Institution. Here my name. So my name followed by my date of birth. My class is 12, section A, Madipakam. So I belongs to Madipakam. So this is a Prince School online English test. Today I have attended my English test. The date will be given. You have submitted the assessment, which means that you have successfully submitted the assignment and we have also accepted. Congrats, you have passed. So if you have attended all the questions correctly, above the average means you will be getting, you have passed the exam. Otherwise you will be getting a pop-up message like you have failed the exam. So depending upon this one, you can identify whether you have submitted your answer or not. Once this page is come, once you give submit button, automatically this page will come. After this page will come, you need to give log out. So once you give log out, the test will be completed, the test will be closed and it will be submitted to our section. Okay, so I'm just giving log out. So again it will return here. Okay, it will return here, it will show you a message like you are now logged out. So you have now came out of it. So if you are trying to enter 2 to 3 times to a particular test result means we will be getting a message. So next you won't be allowed to write your test. So be sure that you attend your test only once and you mark your answers correctly and complete your test within the time. Okay, so